Hey guys, Glenmurray Online. How are you? Oh my word, as I say in front of my kids, because I changed from saying "oh my gad" or "holy shit" or any of that crazy stuff. Um, so there are some super influential people that I follow on YouTube that are coming out and saying some just goofy shit, guys. Like I don't know. Sorry, my ring lights shining like crazy over there. Oh well. Ooh, it's conspiracy theory. So, guys, this my channel is about making money online, but I'm gonna kind of debunk something because I just got to get it off my chest. It's crazy. So one of the guys I follow is like he's done $1 million. He's like the top earner in one of the programs that I'm in. All this kind of stuff. He all of a sudden he's putting all this crazy shit on his channel. Like he's bringing in these like sort of how do you say, like, like guys that like sorry, I'm trying to get rid of that lamp, guys. I don't know if that's the one or this one. No, it's that other one. Oh well. Nah. So he's bringing in all these crazy people that are basically just talking like shit, like oh, they're bringing back like anti-vaxxers and stuff. Guys, I don't care what you guys think. Vaccines have saved lives. Is there any proof that they've led to autism? No. We have a child that we are going through a process right now. Do we have anything to? Do we think it has anything to do with vaccines? No. It's fucking crazy shit, guys. Like, stop thinking this stuff. So there's so many conspiracies. There's like, oh, it's caused by 5G. That's ridiculous, guys. Like think about it. All the countries that are getting hit, there's no 5G there. Like, start critical thinking. You guys are so, you want to chase a boogeyman so badly that you got to make up a boogeyman. The only boogeyman there is like corrupt Wall Street guys, and they're pretty blatantly obvious how they do it. It's just like, yeah, we're gonna go in and we're gonna just do crappy deals for you, and we'll promise we're gonna pay you some money, but we're gonna make the most of it. It's like that's like how humankind is. Is there military operations that are black ops? Absolutely, there is. But for the general public, guys, the best thing that a country can do is to keep you alive and keep you paying taxes for as long as possible. You kidding me? They're not trying to kill you. Like don't like, it just drives me crazy. Anyways, it's sadly, I'm like watching this guy. I've been following him for a year, and all of a sudden it's just like he's sharing these crazy videos. I'm not gonna say his name. It's just like I've commented on there. It's just, it's like, come on, like use your brain, use your critical thinking, weigh the odds, look at what's going on, you know, like really do some research. Don't go find the most fringe nutcase and go, yeah, well, that's the truth because everyone's trying to stifle it. No, not everyone's trying to stifle it. Everyone's going, yeah, that's crazy stuff. Anyway, that's what I have for you. That's on that. Okay, let's talk about making money online. Now, what is the best, absolutely best way to make money online? Easy, guys. Start a blog. Blog. This is the best way to make money online. Create content on a blog. I don't care what you do. Just keep creating content. This is the best way to make money online. You need to just find a niche, whatever niche you're interested in, and start creating content and create valuable content for those people. Once you get a following or whatever it is, you're going to be able to sell stuff to them. Consumers are consumers. The biggest thing, lots of people are like, oh, I want to get into the make money online niche. Yeah, it's great. It's a great niche, right? But man, it's competitive. It's dog eat dog. You think you're making money, and all of a sudden, like, yeah, I'm gonna kill it on this launch. You make no sales. You go and do Bing ads, and you're like, oh man, it's not quite happening. I need more money to throw at it. There's a couple of really good programs. I'll leave the links below that I feel are really good training programs that you become a part of, and you can share it as a way of you can monetize it because you can share that training for other marketers that start to follow you, right? Because people are going to follow you. People are going to follow you, right? And you can do it in any niche. If you're selling camping gear, right? You can always go on and it's like, hey, here's how I set up my blog. Here's the server that I use, and here's the marketing training that I went and joined, and I keep current with, and I follow this marketing stuff, right? So you could give a link to and make money online, like a coaching, a recurring business. Like you have to think that it's not just make money online people that you're marketing to. You're marketing to so many people. You're marketing to network marketers. You're marketing to travel agents. You're marketing to people that just want to find a niche. Like maybe it's a welder that wants to like, I'm going to make a welding site and I'm going to give all the best welding tools and all this stuff. That's great. So a welder could do this. Hey guys, love that you like my blog. I try to put up two articles a week on it. Here's the best welding equipment. Here's here's some tips and tricks on how to do stuff. Now, if you want to know how I built my website, I use this, right? Maybe they use Clickfunnels and they can drop their referral link right there. Someone else comes up like, hey, I'm going to use that, right? Or they use, I host my WordPress on this server, and then they point to the server and they make a residual on there. Or they go, these are the tools, and you can buy them on Amazon, or better yet, because Amazon's cut their commissions, you can go to the source and buy them from this company, this company, this company, whatever it is. Or you say, and by the way, guys, if you wanted to, where did I learn how to build my blog? I followed this training. So there's ways to sell. You could sell your basically your training programs, your recurring revenue stuff easily just by dropping it, mentioning it, but focus on your main niche, right? Because you're going to focus on a niche. So the people that, let's say let's use the welding for example, right? So you're doing all this stuff, and all of a sudden you give that information to someone that's really into welding isn't going, oh, they're trying to get me, to spend money on that stuff. No, they're gonna go, oh, cool, give me more welding information. They're not going to get out. They're not going to be like so many people get stuck in their head. Like, oh, I couldn't cross the line there. I'm providing value. I couldn't ask for a sale of something, not quite exactly in the niche. Of course you can, but you have to do it casually. You can't do that. Can't be the main focus, right? You can't be going, yeah. And here's my blog about welding. And by the way, you know what? The best way to make money on blah, blah, blah. It doesn't work, right? You say, this is my blog about welding. This is how you do welding. This is how you can do the best welding. This is how you do art welding. This is how you can make a career out of welding. These are the tools I use in welding. These are some of the common mistakes people make as welders. All this stuff. And by the way, if you want to know how I put my website together, I have a little page on how I did it because I get that question all the time. That's it, right? Or, hey, I always get asked like who built my blog? I built it myself. Here's a link to all the resources I use to build my blog. That's it. You're just pointing to what you used, and that's how you can capitalize. This is how, what's the big one? Dollars and Cents or something like that. She just talks about money. And making a blog about money, about life, but she makes like so much from affiliate marketing. And how does she make most of it? Is she tells people like, go start a blog, use this server. Back to talking about finances or whatever it is, travel or life. I don't even know what she talks about. She talks about money, but not in a make money online program. She talks about just saving money and how to be frugal, and that's this kind of thing. Anyways, so that's basically how to do it, guys. Get a blog going. I'm going to give you my blog resource page. This is where I have my blogs. There's a few different ways you can do it. A lot of people say, well, you could just go do ClickFunnels and do everything on there. You can. There's a little more technical there for you, but I recommend getting started with basically a server and install WordPress on it, and then just start creating content. From there, if you want to add funnels and all these different things, you can do that no matter what. You can always point. You will learn how to do it. Everyone uses something called Pretty Links. Pretty Links is just like, if you look at my tag, my links, you'll see workwithglenmurray.com / now lifestyle. Oh, by the way, which is launching tomorrow. So make sure you follow that link. Shameless. But that's just a pretty link. So it's bouncing through my server and then it's going on to my affiliate link there. But anyways, that's it, guys. Just start blogging. There's no, see, don't try to get rich quick. Don't try this guru, that guru, this thing. Hey, I'm gonna optimize your ads and do the ads are gonna come way later, right? And then just hire someone to do it. Just go, just say, hey, I'm making money here. Make me make more money. Go find someone and get them to do the ads because they'll do it way better than you, and you don't have to worry about it. You can just worry about making content, which is what you should be concerned about. Making content, making great content. Whether you're going to do videos, whether you're going to blog, I recommend to always have a blog. I'm trying my best to get more blogs. My wife's company, which is a gluten-free recipe, and it's a direct sales company, but it's also all, we're doing gluten-free. So we're trying to build that out just as an authority site. It's just taking, that's it. Anyways, that's all I have for you guys. Hopefully this is helpful for you. And please, let's get over this pandemic sooner than we have. Like, if we just do our shit, we will get through this. But when we start going, what are they doing? Liberate the states. Man, America it looks like it's going to be a huge disaster down there. More than it already is. And it's sad. I lived down there for 10 years. I'm so thankful that I'm back in Canada. I'm so thankful that we have a government that's looking out for us. I'm so thankful that we have, universal health care for myself and my family. I'm so grateful for that, and I feel so sad for my extended family in the States. Basically, after living down there for 10 years, it's sad to see what has become of it, and then watching people that I really think are smart individuals that have done really well online all of a sudden start spouting off this conspiracy theory crap. It's like, oh, please guys, put on your critical thinking hats. Think about it. Don't fall into that conspiracy crap. And if you are a conspiracist, then just unsubscribe from my channel, because you're not going to get that here. I don't go that. I don't play that fiddle kind of thing. I'm just here to hopefully help you make money, show you what I'm doing, show you what's making sense for me, and I'm going to just continue to keep doing that. All right, guys. Stay safe. One day I'm trying to convince my wife to cut my hair, but it's getting crazy. Woo! It's pretty funny. All right, guys. Cheers. Bye.